So now we've finished step 1 in setting up your snippets, your snippet names and your snippet codes. So that's all set up now. And the reason why I've done it this way is because I've already gone ahead and created codes throughout the email, so you don't have to do anything else other than upload the actual campaign itself. So on this video I'm going to show you exactly how to load up the campaign and how to check it out and test everything through. Okay, so this is like one of the final steps, so I hope you pay close attention to this. I'm going to now go to the actual page and share with you exactly how to do this. So now we've done this and that is now completed. Go to confirmation message, make sure all this is turned off, and then save settings. So now that's done, you've more or less completed the list settings, and the next part is automations. This is where you take the automation snippet code that I've created the campaign in and then put it up into here. So what we're going to do is you want to import, and then you come back to the user guide here, and where it says copy the code for the campaign, just here, make sure there is no gaps, so there's no spaces before or after the code. Right click, copy, and then put it straight into the sharing code campaign area, and then name it. So I called it, I will put the name in here, so like campaign, campaign 1 mind mastery magic matrix. So I just made sure that I've got that there, so it just names it. So you just wait a few minutes and see what happens. Right, so it's just loading the campaign, so all the emails are put in sequence here, and it's got the campaign name there and it's in draft. So you can see on new subscribers it's got a tag applied, so campaign. So new subscribers comes in, they get tagged with new campaign 1. Once they've done this, at the end of it, it says completed campaign 1, and there's a reason for that, is because of the fact that we might be coming up with more emails to put in the campaigns depending on what part you're promoting. So there might be more of the sales page to promote, or the webinar, or anything like this, and there'll be another campaign with all the codes in there. So we just load the campaigns and it will automatically be updated. So just going to click save. So now it's in there and it's clicked on draft. Now you see this little box here with an arrow. If you click on this, it activates it. Now this is ready to go. So once somebody comes in, they get a thank you. So I'll show you, for instance, they get an email that says thanks for signing up, and it's like a prompt. So it say, hey subscriber friend, thank you so much for showing an interest in a My Mastery Magic Matrix. Now you are in, you'll receive an email shortly with our exclusive webinar replay link inside for you to watch, just in case you missed it. To make sure you never miss an email from us, please be sure to add us to your contacts. If you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to reply to this email. Now this goes out 10 minutes before the next email. So on the preview and test, you can see I've put my name there, and it comes up with the name Kevin Ebsworth and your address there. Okay, so I'm going to go back. So in the editor it shows subscriber or friend. So if I go back into preview test, I take my name out, it now changes it to hey friend. Okay, so that just makes it a little bit easier. So save and exit. Now it has that on every email, just in case you're just collecting emails, or if you're collecting names and emails. So it flips it to one of the two, because some people don't like to, you know, put their names in. At least then it will, instead of just saying hey, it will say hey friends. So I've placed everything in here, so as you can see, this is one of the emails. Go to preview and test. Hey Kevin, do you know what stops blah 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 blah? You see the picture there. Because you're not the only one to see the solution, 20-minute video. We thought it'd be surprising. Wait until you see the solution. Click and watch the video that made for you. Click here. Oh, look what's happened. So the website comes up here with your ID number, so your username. So I'm going to show you on here. That's my username. So that's exactly what's happened here. So now when they click get started now, the username gets forwarded to the next page and then get access. It gets forwarded to the checkout page and then rolls in. So you can see that it rolls through nicely. Okay, so that's exactly what I've created here for you today. The emails that work. So that's been done. So as you can see that this is set up now, ready to go. So the next thing that you need to have, so it's all active. So you can see it's active, that campaign's active. So now all you need to do, let me just bring myself back here. So the next step that you have to do is basically have a capture page to take people from the lead capture page to the offer, okay, straight away. So you can capture the names and emails of these people when they come in. So on the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I've put in a share landing page, but I'm going to show you how to build a capture page and then how to link it to your landing page. Okay, so it's very simple, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do here. So watch the next video now.